Hi, Dr. Anita Hoff, your chiropractic coach and mentor to help you achieve unbelievable levels of success in your own career. Today, I want to show you a little bit about how I adjust the feet, the extremities. I really find feet the most important part of someone's adjustments, really because, as you know, it has 26 bones in there. It's the foundation to the rest of the body. So you want to get your hands comfortable. Don't be grossed out by feet. Just wash your hands, because I know I've had some other docs say that, but you want to make sure we take care of our patients' feet. So this is kind of the way that I've learned it, actually through a Foot Leveler seminar years ago, which was amazing. But I like to take my fleshy parts of my hands to work on the feet because it makes the patient feel more comfortable. So first and foremost, as I'm doing this, all I'm really doing is just kind of pushing down on the joints in here. And I'm getting on the big toe. When I get on the big toe, I take this fleshy part of my hand, I'm gonna wrap it on the big toe, and then I can even traction that. Sometimes I'll have a really good audible in there, but a lot of my patients are like athletes. They like to work out and they're on their feet all the time. And you will find the same thing with your patients. This is the most important ankle adjustment that I do for the foot. So I take my thumb, I'm gonna come right on top of like the navicular bone. I'm gonna cup it and traction down, and then I'm gonna reinforce it with my other thumb. Once I get it on there, because I'm a tiny person, I like to use my body weight as opposed to using my back. So I actually put that foot, keeping my tension there, in between my knees, and then all I do is drop back, and we'll get a good adjustment. You can do that on different segments on the ankle. I can even go up a little bit higher, right into this joint here, if it's like locking up, and push back, okay? And then I like to take my hand, cup it right underneath the heel or the calcaneus, and pull down and traction on the patient. Anytime I do a foot adjustment, I always like to check back and make sure everything's moving, there's motion in the bones. It's okay if you don't get a pop in there, things will still move. Then I also like to take and make sure the knee is aligned with the ankle and foot, because as you know, they go together. So I take my thumb, I traction across the patella, keeping my hand underneath the knee, and then I push down. And then last but not least, going with the foot, the ankle, the knee. As you can see, I'm holding onto his leg like this. I'm gonna grasp a hold right behind the knee joint. And then I'm just gonna pull back, and that's also gonna help with the hip. And sometimes it even unlocks the knee, okay? So I'm gonna do it quicker on this side to make sure that you're evened out. So we're gonna get the foot here, see how quick it can be. And then I'm gonna cup in between my knees, and now, is any of this painful, or is it all comfortable?
No, great.
And then last but not least, drop the weight of your leg in my hands. And that's how I adjust the feet, ankles, knees, hips with just a few seconds.